In this video, we will continue with algebra from geometry involving a quadratic. So we start with the givens. Given angle A is a right angle, solve for x. So angle A is a right angle, which means that it is 90 degrees, which means that x squared minus 9x equals 90. Therefore, x squared minus 9x minus 90 equals 0. And of course, this is how you solve a quadratic. You get everything on one side and a 0 on the other. And now we see if we can factor it, and in fact we can. So that is x minus 10. So 90, we have factors 1 and 90, 2 and 45, 3 and 30, 4 and nothing, 5 and 18, 6 and 15, and there we go. 15 minus 6 is 9, so it's a negative, so the negative is with the bigger number. X minus 15, x plus 6. So just to finish this, we could have 9 and 10, but this is the pair that works. So now, x equals negative 6, x equals 15. So when you solve for variables in geometry, you need to plug them back in because you can have extraneous solutions. So negative 6 squared minus 9 times negative 6, that is 36 plus 54, which is 90. So that works. And then if x is 15, that is 15 squared minus 9 times 15, which is then 225 minus 135, which is again 90. So both of these work. There are no extraneous solutions. X is either negative 6 or 15. Things to always remember when you're doing algebra with geometry is the algebra comes from the geometry of the problem. And then when you get solutions for your variables right here, you must plug them back in and see if they work because they could be extraneous if you get a negative angle or a negative length of a segment.